the Superbird. Look at this, Mike. Look at this.
Let me just touch it.
The first thing that anybody wants to do when they see a Superbird is touch the wing. Is this a real Superbird?
Yeah, it's real.
You want to feel it, man, because it's all about power.
Come on, you know, you look at this thing and you want to cry.
When I see a Superbird, it's snakes and sparklers, baby. Joe Dirt. I love that movie. It's like one of my favorite movies.
So what do you value this at, Harold?
I've been offered some crazy movies.
What's crazy money?
Unrestored.
Have you really? Recently?
Yeah.
Wow.
I never have sold any cars. And what cars I've sold, I've regretted it.
So this is no go?
No go.
Hey, I don't blame you, man. I gotta ask, my friend.
I know what you're going to ask. You're going to ask, can you drive a Superbird?
That's what I was gonna ask. You're right. Can I drive the Superbird? I mean, we came a long way. Please.
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Joe Dirt!
The first thing I want to do when I get behind the wheel of the Super Bee is test it. See how fast it'll go. I want to go through the gears.
There's no brakes.
It's got no brakes. This is incredible. I mean, seriously, it's got no brakes. So the last thing I'm thinking about is that Harold doesn't have any brakes on it.
Yeah, but backfire those carburetors and ignite the flame all going. You want me to drag my light like the Flintstones?
I mean, I'm touching it. Dang. Dude. God. I haven't driven anything with brakes this bad in so long. I can't even tell you the last time.
That's crazy. You crazy driver.
God. Okay. Hey, why didn't you tell me it doesn't have brakes?
I didn't think about it. The brakes ain't been no good over there. Hell, I forgot about it. You got any witnesses?